Right, hello, good morning. We're back in the workshop again. We're going to be working on the Benelli. So, no all wrong. No more. I was going to go no more further ado, but that's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little washer that way. New bearing on there. Clutch is all, I say, brand new. It's lovely. That goes on there. Little washer. Basket itself, lovely. Washer. Try and find the nut now. Oh, there it is. Weirdy nut. Right, get the clutch holding tool. Not in that one, David, you idiot. That's the one. Put that in there. Sorted that. That's nice and tight. Oh. That's there. We'll nip that up when we do that in a minute. Clutch stuff. Don't forget the push rod. That's in there. There we go. We'll get some paper and put in there, make sure nothing jumps in. That's good. Fit up the old exhaust. I've got to empty, look, nothing left. I've got to sort out the cylinder heads because they need what do they need doing? They need blasting and painting. So I've just had a message from Steve. He's going to be back tomorrow, which is really good news. Idiot, oh, look at me. What I'm doing. Not concentrating on what I'm doing. They're all new head gaskets. Don't forget this one's for sale at the end, which I think anybody that buys it is going to end up with a cracking little bike. At least if you want a 50 or whatever year old bike it is. That's in good condition. I don't think you go far wrong with this one. Right, there we go. Got to find a clutch cover gasket for that. I've got to tighten up the nut, which is not a problem. Battery's going flat on this, so I think what I should do is call it a day. thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that malarkey. I've got to clean up the workshop because Stevie's back tomorrow, and we'll most probably be taking Gloria to bits. We're going to have a look at Gloria's big crack and see if we can suss out where that is. It's up here somewhere, here probably, and get that off to Matt and see if we can get that welded or whatever. And yeah, I mean, look at the state of the place. I really do need to have a clean up. It looks like a bloody bomb's hit the place. So anyway, I'm not going to mess about anymore. It's a nice day here in Lincoln. I've even got the Benelli and the Gilera outside. So yeah, I think I'll better tidy up. This is lovely stuff. Look at that, proper nice. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Well, it'll be tomorrow when we do some more filming. So bye. Hello everyone. I've as you can see, I've had a bit of a tidy up from this afternoon's adventures. Benelli engine there, ready to go back in the chassis when the cylinder heads are blasted tomorrow. Probably, well, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Get them blasted and painted. The two bikes are back inside. I showed you the bits and bobs that came back from Ultimate Finish. There's the seat pan. It's a short one because it's going on this bike because we've got a rack to go on that, because Susie won't go on the bike without a rack on the top box, or she feels like she's going to fall off. So that's done. There's another Benelli engine in there, which is the spare race one for that bike. I've got some bits of bob to do next week, tidying up. I've got the rest, the other fork leg too, because that one's shiny, that one's not. That one needs finishing off, and same with the rear shocks. I've done one and I need to do the other, so I'll get on and do that next week. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. And the other little shed. Oh yeah, and I've got to do work on both these push bikes. The gear things fell off that, or it's broken. So they're on their way. It's this silly thing, gear change mechanism broke on both of them. So got to sort that out. That's a top box that's going to go on the Benelli for Sue, so she don't fall off the back. It's going to have that much power. She's not going to know what's it. Suzuki engine still got to go in a Benelli chassis, so that's another job to do. Oh god, I'm going to make time. So anyway, that's it. All done for today. Say Steve's here in the morning, so I think we're going to get on with Gloria. Going to have a good look at Gloria's big crack. So hopefully we're going to start that tomorrow. So that'll be an interesting doozy, what we're doing with that, and that'll be a separate video to all this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that malarkey, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.